Are you looking for a part-time teaching opportunity from home? Then this opportunity might be perfect for you. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है तब भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. अगर आप कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट हो, लाइक यू आर डूइंग बीएड, या फिर आप मास्टर डिग्री कर रहे हो, उसके साथ साथ आप कुछ अर्निंग करना चाहते हो, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई हियर. Since it's a part-time work from home job role, you can easily manage it alongside your daily routine. And yes, you will also get paid during the training period. Let's quickly talk about the details. Hi, so in this form, everything is clearly mentioned, including the responsibilities and salary structure. So let's go through it step by step. So the role is part-time teaching role, work from home, and yes, it's completely remote, and currently they are hiring for maths and science subjects. Now let's talk about the salary structure. Month one will be your training period and you will receive a stipend of 10,000 rupees per month for first month. And from month two onwards, if you continue working for a year, you can expect an annual salary of 2.2 lakh per annum to 2.5 lakh per annum. That means your monthly earning will be around approximately 18,000 to 21,000 rupees per month. Coming to the working hours, the working hours would be from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Sunday will be your off. After completing 12 months, the company also offers career growth opportunities such as tutor trainer or content manager. Both roles are part-time, and in content managers, full-time role is also available, and all of them are still work from home. So you can expect now 25,000 salary if you're working as a tutor trainer, and content manager 25,000 or 45,000 per month salary. If you want to explore more, you can check their website. This is an edtech platform that focuses on after school tuitions. Now talking about founders, Mrinal Mohit, ex-CEO of Byju's, Ankit Chaturvedi, ex-VP at Byju's. So yes, it's a trusted and credible company and you can expect good exposure here. Now let's discuss role and responsibilities. So the first class, which is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., ये evaluation class रहेगी, and then you need to conduct 4 online tutoring sessions between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. and duration जो class की होगी that is of 1 hour, and जो classes है वो होंगी mathematics and science की, and जो grades आपके पास होंगी वो होंगी 4 to 10th class, and जो students होंगे they are from home, they can join from home, hostels के हो सकते हैं या फिर पीजी से they are gonna join. And requirements क्या है यहाँ पे, they are very important. Stable internet connection, you should have professional setup, no disturbances at all. Camera should be on throughout the sessions and no mobile phones throughout the sessions during your class time, and professional behavior. Recruitment process की बात करें तो 2 rounds होंगे virtual demos के and then interview. Now how to fill out the form? It's simple. आपको अपना सब्जेक्ट चूज करना है मैथ्स और साइंस में से, देन योर सिटी एंड स्टेट, वाई पार्ट टाइम जॉब अगर आप कहीं पर लाइक इफ यू आर परस्यूइंग योर मास्टर डिग्री और पीएचडी या बीएड कुछ भी कर रहे हो, देन यू कैन राइट अ रीजन. अगर आप स्कूल टीचर हो तब आप यहाँ पे मेंशन कर सकते हो कि इस ड्यूरेशन में मैं स्कूल में जाती हूँ, समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड देन यू कैन राइट योर फुल नेम हियर, एज, जेंडर, mobile number, WhatsApp number, name of latest degree, name of college or university, and then you need to rate yourself आपकी जो मैथ्स और साइंस की नॉलेज है. एंड अगर आप कंफर्टेबल हो इस टाइमिंग के लिए, वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस इज लाइक इट्स टाइपो, इट्स वर्क फ्रॉम होम, पार्ट टाइम है. टाइमिंग्स यहाँ पे 4 to 9 p.m. है. वर्किंग डेज इट्स फ्रॉम मंडे टू सैटरडे, संडे वीक ऑफ रहेगा. एंड डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग, आप कब से ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, मंथ पहले एंड देन डे एंड देन ईयर. सो वी वुड प्रेफर अर्ली ज्वाइनर्स. अगर आप अर्ली ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो एनी प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस. अगर येस है तो येस, नहीं है तो नो मार्क कर देना. एंड देन एनी प्रायर ऑनलाइन पार्ट टाइम टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस, अगर ऑनलाइन में एक्सपीरियंस है तो उस अकॉर्डिंग आप यहाँ पे मार्क कर सकते हो. एंड लास्ट में योर सीवी, आपको यहाँ पे आपका सीवी अपलोड करके यहाँ पे फॉर्म को सबमिट कर देना है. This is a great opportunity if you want to start or grow your career in online teaching. If you are interested, go ahead and apply using the link given in the description or in the pinned comment. Also, you can explore more about the company by visiting their official. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, share कर देना अपने friends के साथ, channel को subscribe कर लेना for more such opportunities. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with new job opportunity. Bye. Take care.